Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top traits and qualities you need to become a successful chef. Think you have what it takes to be a world-class chef? Think this is a walk in the park? It's a pressure cooker out there and only the strongest survive. Let's get started. Being a head chef is about more than just cooking. You're leading a team, running a kitchen, and you're responsible for every plate that goes out. If you're not a strong leader, you'll get walked all over. A head chef needs to inspire, motivate, and sometimes, even scare their team to get the best out of them. This isn't some amateur cooking show. This is the real deal. You're dealing with raw ingredients, sharp knives, and hot surfaces. One wrong move and you could send someone to the hospital. A good chef handles tools safely and ensures their team does the same. No excuses for sloppy safety. Listen up, you can't build a Michelin-starred restaurant on burnt toast and overcooked pasta. You need a rock-solid foundation in cooking fundamentals. But don't think that means you can just churn out boring dishes. You need to take those basic skills, push the boundaries, and create something truly exceptional. Cooking is an art, not just a science. Think outside the box, experiment with flavors and textures, create dishes that are delicious and visually stunning. If you just follow recipes, you'll never be more than a line cook. Be bold, daring, and creative. Look, if you don't love food, if you don't live and breathe cooking, you're in the wrong profession. This job is demanding, stressful, long hours, and longer nights. The only way you're going to survive, let alone thrive, is if you have a burning passion for what you do. A chaotic kitchen leads to chaotic food, and nobody wants that. You need to be organized, efficient, and in control. That means managing your inventory, controlling your costs, and making sure your team works like a well-oiled machine. In the culinary world, the difference between a good dish and a great dish often comes down to the smallest details. Are your seasonings balanced? Is the food cooked to perfection? If you miss those crucial details, your food will suffer. You can be the most talented chef, but you're nothing without a strong team behind you. Being a head chef means you need to communicate, delegate tasks, and build camaraderie in your kitchen. Remember, there's no I in team, unless you rearrange it to spell idiot, which is what you'll be if you don't work together. The culinary world is constantly evolving. New techniques emerge, new ingredients become available, and tastes change. A great chef never stops learning, experimenting, and pushing themselves to be better. Complacency breeds mediocrity, and mediocrity is not an option in my kitchen. Get ready for the heat, because when the dinner rush hits, you'll be in the thick of it. A good chef can handle multiple tasks at once, managing orders, supervising the line, or jumping in to lend a hand wherever needed. If you can't handle the pressure, you'll crumble faster than a soufflé. In a professional kitchen, every second counts. You need to work quickly and efficiently without sacrificing precision or quality. Customers don't want to wait all night for their food, and they certainly don't want a plate of slop thrown in front of them. Let's face it, not every dish is going to be a masterpiece. Sometimes you'll make mistakes, sometimes customers will be unreasonable, and you'll just want to tell them to shove their complaints. But you can't. A true professional takes criticism in stride, learns from mistakes, and uses feedback to improve. A menu is more than just a list of dishes, it's a reflection of your culinary vision. Create a menu that is balanced, appealing, and showcases your skills as a chef. This is your chance to shine, so don't serve boring rubbish. This industry is all about connections. Building strong relationships with suppliers and other chefs can open doors and create opportunities. So get out there, network, collaborate, and make your presence known. Never compromise on quality, ever. Source the finest ingredients, use proper techniques, and plate with care. Every aspect should reflect your commitment to excellence. Anything less is simply unacceptable. In a high-pressure environment like a professional kitchen, things can change in an instant. An order might be wrong, an ingredient might run out, or equipment might break down. You need to think on your feet, make quick decisions, and adapt to any situation without missing a beat. A kitchen is a symphony of moving parts, and clear communication is essential to keep everything running smoothly. You need to communicate effectively with your team, suppliers, and customers. Remember, communication is key, so don't clam up like a scared little lamb. So there you have it. The essential traits of a successful chef. It's not an easy road, but with passion, dedication, and sheer determination, you can achieve anything. Now get out there, push your limits, and make me proud. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.